Hi, in this video I will show you my PROXXON homemade power supply. The supply is made out of transformer, bridge, rectifier, switch, connector and an LED. Now I will show you the output voltage of it. The output voltage is 12 volts, unregulated DC. This way the internal regulation of the tool will keep working. I also made a adapter so I can plug in the tool without cutting the cord. Now let me show you how it works. You can regulate the speed from 5000 to about 17,000, even though it says 20. Maybe the voltage is too low. Thanks for watching.